Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: an API key, an environment variable, and a package manager. First, install the official SDK or prepare an HTTPS post client, then make a minimal request to the responses endpoint with a short prompt. Once done, confirm you receive a 200 and a JSON output. Make sure to set model, temperature, and max tokens purposefully so the responses match your app needs. This gets your first round trip working and unlocks the next implementation steps. Now integrate the API into your flow. Wrap prompts using system, user, and assistant roles to control behavior, and persist conversation state or ID if you need context. If you want live feedback, stream tokens to the client and render progressively. Otherwise, fetch full responses and update UI. Also implement rate limit handling and exponential backoff for retries so your app remains robust under load. Make sure to validate input size and truncate or summarize when approaching token limits. Finish by hardening and monitoring your integration. Move keys server-side, rotate them, and set usage quotas to control cost. Once done, add logging of request/response metadata and user inputs for debugging while scrubbing PII. If you hit errors, first check model name and token limits, then inspect logs for HTTP status and error messages. Make sure to retry transient failures with backoff and provide graceful UI fallbacks for users. One key tip: always log inputs and responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.